traveling, you're probably used to needing yogurt to keep your bio correct. So here we go. We're gonna make some yogurt, homemade yogurt today, and I have my assistant Rainbow helping us. So what I've done is I measured out the milk, and we're gonna bring this to a boil, but a very light boil. As soon as it boils, we're taking it off the heat. We're gonna simmer it for 15 minutes. And my assistant's gonna help us stir. We bring this to a boil, a light boil, and then we take it off the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's just starting to boil. We're gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna reduce the heat down to the lowest level and simmer it for 15 minutes. Okay, since we boiled the milk to a very light boil, we took it off and simmered it for 15 minutes, and now we let it cool down to right about 90 degrees, and it's finger touch. So it's warm, but it's not too hot to kill off the bacteria in the yogurt. We take 1 tablespoon of yogurt while Rainbow keeps on mixing it. What I do is I get a little bit of the probiotic yogurt in there as well. It will take on the flavor of whatever yogurt you put in. So typically plain yogurt, but you can put in berries as well. And you let this go for a couple more minutes. You put it in the bowl, and we'll explain the rest in a moment. All right, well, we're complete with the mixture, so let's put it into the bowl. So now what you do is you cover this and wrap it in a blanket. So now that we've completed the mixture, put it in the bowl, we're going to wrap it in a blanket and let it sit overnight. Now you could also take a hot pack and put it in there to keep the temperature hot. It doesn't have to be extremely hot, just but since we're in a warm climate, we can set it outside and let it sit overnight, and we'll be fine tomorrow morning. It comes together 12 to 16 hours later. All right, and that's it for making yogurt. Pretty easy. Great to do when you're on the road. Thanks for watching.